Hi guys, this is Christine. Today we're going to be making some New Year's Eve pom-pom tights that are going to be super fun to wear. So we're going to start with some nylon tights. You can pick these up usually anywhere. You want to make sure that you do get tights and not pantyhose because you do want kind of that thicker material. Pantyhose tend to be a little bit thinner. So we really want to make these pom-poms stick. Go ahead and stuff a towel into your tights on both legs. This is just going to help stretch the tights out a little bit and give you a better space to work with. All right, so let's get started. You want to measure up about 6 inches or so from the toe. So this is just going to leave room for where your foot will go into the tights. So we're going to start about right here, which again is about 6 inches up. And I kind of, in my mind, envision just like an S shape, kind of like a slithery snake. So we're gonna kind of follow that same kind of pattern, and that just kind of gives it some flow and some movement. All right, so I'm gonna start with the 1.5 inch palms. These are the larger size palms that I'm going to use. And I'm just gonna put a little dab of glue on the palm. And I'm gonna stick it about right here, again, 6 inches up from the toe, and just press down a little bit. So we're gonna work with our bigger palms first and place those. So you're gonna repeat the same step. And we're just kind of gonna glue these. Again, we wanna follow like an S-shaped pattern on the leg of the tights. And I think it looks fun to mix the colors up. You can use any colors you'd like. But again, I think the colorful ones just make it more fun. And we'll add one more purple palm at the very top. All right, now we're gonna go back and we're just gonna kind of fill in. So we've got these fun 1 inch palms that have tinsel on the end. Perfect for New Year's Eve. And we're just gonna start filling in these gaps that we've got. And again, there's no pattern to the ones I'm making. I just like it very colorful and fun. So we're just gonna work our way up. And again, you're just putting little dabs of glue on the bottom of each palm and sticking them on. It's also fun if you do little groups of 3s. And now I'm going to take some really small little palms. These are our 10mm palms, and I'm just going to start adding these as well. But look how fun they're starting to look, and this has taken us no time at all. Trust me, you will be the talk of the party in these tights. We also have some 1 inch fuzzy palms. If you do get these, a little tip is they come kind of smushed together. So just take them and kind of make a ball in your hands together, and it kind of fluffs them up a little bit. You're gonna wanna add on a little bit more than you think you're going to need. And the only reason I say that is because when you do go to take the towels out or you go to put them on your body, you will lose a couple. You'll notice that some will pop off. That's okay. That's why we're gonna add more than we need, so that in the case that some do pop off, you'll have plenty still left on. So now that I have a couple of my palms filled in, I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna start adding some acrylic flatbacks and some sequins. So I have a little pile here, And you're just going to take, on the sequins, you're going to take it on the flat side of the sequin and you're going to put just a little dab of glue on it. And again, you're just going to place those where you want them. There will be a little bit of glue that comes through the little hole in the sequin, but that's okay. It's going to dry and it will dry clear. And the same for the acrylic flat backs. You're just going to take some glue, put it on the back here, and start placing them where you want them. And again, that glue that you see will dry clear. But look how fun these are coming out. And then you can also go back and kind of fill in any spots that you think you need some more poms, some more sequins. I mean, really, there's no right or wrong way to do this. Just make them fun, just make them crazy, just make them you. All right, well, I think I'm happy with how they look. So once you're happy with the first leg of your tights, you can jump on to the next leg and you're going to just repeat those same steps. So again, you're gonna wanna start about 6 inches up from the toe. I kind of try and do an S shape just to kind of give it some flow. And you're just going to start gluing on your larger pom-poms first. All right, so there you have it, a finished New Year's Eve stocking. So you want to let these dry for 24 hours before you take the towels out. And again, just remember that when you do take the towels out, some of them will pop off, but that's okay. So yeah, have fun. Happy New Year's Eve.